Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. You know, in the last video we did, I washed my hair with volcanic ash. Yes, right, I washed my hair with ash. Yeah, from volcano. Yeah, and then after washing my hair, my curls were popping and looking wonderful. If you've not seen that video, please do check it out. So when I got done with my hair washing, I did the LOB method, which is using a liquid leave-in conditioner from Kadima and oil, and then I used their butter, hair butter, in my hair. After doing that, the next step for me was to take that butter and apply to my hair. I use that butter to create twists all over my hair. Now the style that I'm going to do today comes out of this twist that you guys see here. I let the twist stay overnight. Zoom in. Yes, girl. I let it stay overnight and my curls were wonderful, no frizz, looking wakpa. After I did that, it was time to style it the right way. Style it for the week and let it be. So this style is very simple. You'll be slapping yourself after you see it. What I do is I take a section of my hair and I split it in two. I take it and I put rubber bands at the end of it. If you don't like elastic, you don't have to. Then I take another section and I'm rubber banding that section too. It's a clean section, yes. We're going to connect those two sections together with another rubber band. When you connect it together, it makes it look as if you braided your hair, you cornrowed your hair. At the end of the hair, twist it up. If you don't know how to twist, you can braid. Then you add in those lovely jewels. If you want to know where I find my jewelry, just look at the description area. And that is it for one side. When you are done with that and putting those jewelries, making it look so beautiful, the way you want it to look like a Fulani girl, now you switch to the other side. Oh yeah, let's move to the other side. When you move to the other side, you put the jewelry, you braid the hair, you twist it. Now for the front, we're creating a pompadour. If you don't know what a pompadour is, it's just making a big hump in front of your head. Then you take the twist and you connect them together at the base of that pompadour. Can we say pompadour? Pompadour. So you connect it and use those same jewels to kind of connect it together. And my sisters, that is it. My brothers, that is it. You go about your way, but you want it to look very beautiful and very fancy. So add more jewelry if you want, and if you don't, you can skip this part. And that is it. So you can fluff out your hair. This style works well if you have long hair. If you have short hair, you might have to jazz it up a different way. But that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, check out our videos on Discovery Natural in the playlist called Natural Hair playlist, Natural Hair Styles. Yeah, okay, so we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you. Bye. Oh yeah, kiss.